Yo, what's good, YouTube? We're back again with another video. As you can see, I got Project Green Tea right here posted up in the cut. She a little dusty right now, but today we're gonna go on a cruise with some homies. We're gonna be going to Watchung Reservation. We're gonna be going to do some rips around the hilly roads, some cruising with the boys, and just get some dope pictures and some dope flyby videos. And but before that, I'm gonna do an oil change real quick because I'm still on the oil from the dyno. So I'm gonna head over to my boy Muffin's house to get that done real quick, and from there we're gonna meet up with everybody and head out.
It's somewhere in the car.
Yo, that tastes pretty good.
Yeah. Hey, 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 hey!
Yeah, it's fucking hot in here.
Hey! Cut the clip, Sonny. Stupid people, yo.
Just hit the top?
Yeah.
Tim Green.
I'm getting hella fucking getting squirted.
Alright, Sonny.
Oh, you got fuel in the
You can cut it, you can cut it.
I'm the tuner for the day, you heard?
Tuner, you heard? We made it. We got Muffin, my son Andrew, boy Steve's M3, Project Green Tea, boy Nando, Timothy Green, Mike Beacho Slayer, Timmy's boy with the fit, Nando and Mike Beacho's boy with the turbo single jingle. Currently being followed by police, trying to obey the laws. But yeah, look at these roads, guys.
It's pretty cool.
Nice
not
twisty
that bad.
turns.
Race car problem.
I know.
Vibrations everywhere.
Everywhere.
Is that cops behind us?
Yeah. That's crazy. He's chasing us out of here. He was waiting for us at the parked up spot to get out. And once we all pulled out, he got behind the last guy.
That shit was fast.
It felt fast.
That shit, yeah, it felt quick to me.
It gets a little scary because it gets squirrely on the wheel. I gotta get a better alignment.
It got a little bit cooler from that pull. It was at 190.